Hi, I'm Elaina. You can find me on Painted with Raven Season 2 on Wow Presents Plus, available right now. And also on my channel you'll find different makeup looks like this, Halloween looks, and beauty looks, face paint, drag looks, celebrity impersonations. It's all in here, check it out. In today's video, we review Nomad Cosmetics new palette for Halloween. It's called Ghost Town USA. It's gorgeous. It looks like this and it looks like this inside. It's already out. I got my PR a little late, but this is gorgeous, guys. So you're gonna see me doing swatches and a little makeup look, and the final thoughts as usual. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So thank you so much, Nomad Cosmetics, for sending me this palette over. This is gifted, this is PR, and I'm just disclaiming this as usual. So I'm very thankful to receive this because this is gorgeous, and I've been receiving PR from Nomad Cosmetics for a while. So thank you so much, guys, and I'm very excited. You're gonna see this in swatches. I haven't swatched it yet. You know how I film. The makeup look first and swatches later, so you'll see. So this palette is available right now, and it's 18-pan palette. It's not limited edition, and it's $49 US dollars, and it's already been launched, so you can check it out. So it has 9 cool sterling mattes and 9 glitzy as gold shimmers inspired by the haunted ghost towns of the Wild West. So let me swatch this real quick and you'll see. I'm probably gonna do it off camera as usual because my swatches suck. You might think otherwise, but I think I'm not that great at swatching, so I'm just gonna do it real quick and I'll come back. So here we go, the swatches. I'm trying to talk quick. Excuse me, guys, because my SD card has been like acting up. I don't know what's going on, but it ate 2 clips. It ate them. It says it hasn't been recovered, so I had to re-record like 2 clips already, and I don't want to lose the swatches because they're precious and it was pain in my behind. So there you go. Real quick swatches. The shimmers are so soft. Actually, once I put my fingers in them, it's like the real creamy, almost like you press them, they just get pushed in. I don't know if some people are gonna dislike that, but they're extremely soft and creamy. Beautiful, pigmented, so rich. It's gorgeous. The mattes, I mean, nothing to complain. Pigmented, even the light tones. I love that the light shades are so opaque. You can really build them up, like I built it up. The gray built up everything. So yeah, go check it out. Shop. This is definitely a dual chrome, a multi-chrome, green into purple. I don't know if you can see it, but it is. Anyway, so let's get into the rest of the video before my camera craps out again. So I'm not going to do a voiceover, since I said I always am going to do voiceovers. Well, something along those lines. Because I was pissing, hissing, like I'm down, I'm tired of YouTube. But I love Nomad Cosmetics and I do wanna talk. So we're going to start with this beautiful palette, but not with this beautiful palette. Because as you know me, I always cheat. I'm a cheater. So we're gonna go with Verona Morte. So this was, wasn't that Valentine's Day? I think it was Valentine's Day. Anyway, so we got this black. Because I feel like this palette needs a black. This is Halloween, it's so deep and it's so mysterious, it's so dark. I'm just like living for this, and I need a black. So just gonna plot black on a big brush. Because this is gonna be like a beauty look, but a Halloween look. Like, look, you see, I got a little bit of moon and a little smoky clouds in there. Inspired by the cover of the palette, of course. Looks like this. It has all those clouds and the moon and the birds. I might add a couple of birds in there. I'm like Bob Ross. Oh, here's another bird. I might. We'll see. I might add some more stuff later. Anyway, right now I'm applying not even the palette I'm working with. So excuse me while I'm applying something else. But this is kind of a base. I'm going to build on top of it. So this is not going to be too different. I'm just going to build the blue on top of it. Alright, kind of sloppily put it on. I clean my brush on a towel, and we're gonna go for the dead man's hand. And it looks like deep blue right here. And this is really deep, but it's not black. But once I apply it over the black, it's gonna become this deep, deep, deep blue, midnight blue. So now it's all gonna be blue at the end. So you see, I am using it after I put a blob of black. But you know me, I can't do without black, especially for the look like this. Like I needed black here. But you know, you do you. You don't have to. Not everything has to have black. Who would talk, right? I'm gonna go for the next blue. I'm just gonna go up that row. Calamity Jane. It's kind of a greenish bluish color. I'm just tapping it on, kind of build it up, and just smudging it out. So we're going to Skinner's Saloon. And this is a really pretty smoky bluish grayish. Oof, I love that color. That's real, real pretty. What I love about Nomad, a lot of brands do that lately. You know, this is the same thing of the past where the pastels and the light tones used to be like almost transparent. Nowadays, I would like to think that most brands know that we want pigments, so even the light color like this, it packs a punch, and it just opaque and pigmented. And yes, I'm going all over. Most likely I'm gonna connect it in the middle, but that's most likely after the base. I want to see where the base goes, and we're gonna connect it in the middle and do something here too, because we want to create kind of like mysterious blackness in the middle. I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't. You'll find out later. So just blend it all together. Blends perfectly as usual. I always say Nomad formula is very, very easy. I mean, a lot of brands I work with, they're very easy to blend. Otherwise, I would not go back to them. So this is kind of sloppy, but like, bear with me. You know, just bear with me because it's gonna get all smoky and mysterious. So I'm gonna cut the crease like real basic off camera because we're gonna do like the lines, you know, the moon and the smoke, and I'll be right back. I was gonna go with one color, but I'm extra, so I'm gonna use a few colors. And the shimmer so creamy, buttery, chef's kiss, so good. So I'm gonna go with California, right? Oh yeah, I think it's Ghost Towns, right? I'm so damn and slow. Excuse me. Gold Rush, so it's gonna be in their corner. And Quicksilver, a little bit mixed of smoky quartz just to deepen it. And a little bit of this Ghost Train. And I just noticed it, and it's a duochrome or multichrome, like a purple and green. I'm like, ooh, it's even better than I thought. Do you see the reflection of those green golds? Ah, delicious, just delicious, beautiful. Clean the brush, going for the silvers. And clean the brush and going right for the ghost down. Ah, incredible, so beautiful. And when I turn my head, I actually can see the green and the purple turn to green. It kind of ties it to the inner corner unintentionally because I didn't even realize it was multichrome. Because you know, you get the palette in the mail, go grab and go film immediately. Didn't even examine it yet. I'm like, let me just put it on my eyeballs right away. Highlight the brow bone with Quicksilver. That's such a creamy shimmer. That Quicksilver is incredible. Buttery, soft. Ah, so good. So I'm gonna make a little hole in the middle. Micellar water and a Q-tip. So that's gonna be our moon here. That's how I did the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect because again, I'm gonna work with brushes here around it. So well, usually I don't show this process, but I thought maybe you're curious to find out what I do with it actually. So After this, we're gonna take some base. I'm just gonna use Makeup Revolution. I mean, I guess I could use a white one, but it's so smoky. It's moon, it has smoke over it. Doesn't have to be like a pure white. So I'm just gonna use Makeup Revolution. Just kind of like put the base on first. Again, there's like a few ways to do this. I could just do water activated paint immediately, but I feel like I want to build up some color first, like with eyeshadow, and then go with the water activated paints, just to get more like a pigment and opacity here. Just make sure my moons are the same size and they're not, so let me make this one bigger. Just using some other brand white eyeshadow, because none of my Nomad palettes are white. I don't think so. I looked and I didn't find any matte white. So it doesn't matter. Just to set the moon. Well, it's not related to the palette really. I'm just showing you the process. This like half of this has nothing to do with the palette. But you know me, I'm extra. So now we're gonna go with the white. I'm using by this, by the way, I didn't show you. Very well used. The black and white are almost gone. And we're gonna use some white around the moon. Alright, so now got the moon. And now I think this one is bigger than the other. I have to fix it off camera. It's never the same. That's why I pose like this. So now we're gonna create some more lines. Like a white smoke. I just googled some pictures of smoke, to be honest, and this is like a Google image. So it's like just smoke over the black background, and that's exactly what I'm trying to create, kind of squiggly things. I'll just dip the brush and it'll kind of go very easily. Doesn't have to be symmetrical with the other side. And just tap my finger and it creates a smoke illusion. This is like the easiest part. And going through the moon as if smoke is over the moon. And we're gonna do the same thing but with the black over the moon to create like clouds on the moon. So get a little bit of black and just create a little bit, a few dots, and again I tap it with my finger and we create some moon clouds. I already painted the birds here. Here's my Bob Ross painting. Here's one bird, here's the other bird, and here's another bird, bigger bird. I like to go crazy with this. Alright, so more or less, now I'm gonna take black again and we're gonna paint some birdies. I guess I could use it with a sharp eyeliner, like a black eyeliner. Maybe I'll outline them a little blacker, because the water activated paints, they kind of tend to get a little blurry if you put black on top of white, because it mixes with white a little bit. So it might get a little less black after a time. So I'm just gonna let it sit. Actually, they kind of look like bats, and I think that's supposed to be bats, not birds, right? And, I mean, you can interpret these black dots, whatever that is. It's dog poop, it's bats, or it's rats. It could be anything, to be honest. And she's done. I decided to do the rest off camera because I was gonna talk, and that takes forever. There we go. Not talking again, but some people appreciate short videos. So there you have it. So I did decide to put more eyeshadow in the middle of my nose. After the base, I put more primer in there and I just blended it. I put more smoke in there. So I got the moon, I got the bats, I got the smoke, and I decided to put some stars. I was gonna make it matte, but I'm like, you know what? This is Halloween, and this is extra, and this is special, and the shimmers are very, very reflective. So might as well put some glitter and some stars to make it like a starry skies with some bats in it. I mean, why not, right? And black lipstick, of course, and I put some gray over it. Maybelline black lipstick. This one is called Thrill Seeker, and This is actually, I think this is discontinued, so don't get too excited. This is colored rain. I think I got it on sale because they're getting rid of it. I don't know why, because it's pretty awesome. It's called Heart of Stone, and it's like a light gray. It's real pretty. I put it in the middle, and I put the shimmer actually from a palette on my lips because that's like my thing. I love to put shimmer. So this is Quicksilver, and that's in the middle. So that's tied all together. I even wash my hair for the occasion too. I don't wash my hair that often, so Nomad Cosmetics should be honored. I'm such a hoe. So this is it. That's the completed look. The palette is available right now. I got my PR a little late. And here's my baby. Came to say hello. That's Shinji. He was sleeping in the basket and he's like, Mommy, I want petty petty. Anyway, go shop. I'm gonna link them on my description box of their Instagram and their website, so you can shop. I don't get any discount codes or any affiliate links, so I don't make any money from them. The only thing is I get free palette in PR, and you get a cat butthole. That's what you get from me. Anyway, like, comment, and ring notification bell. Thank you. You're really ruining my video, are you? And ring notification bell if you haven't yet. And do comment below. Let me know if you bought the palette. It's brand new, just came out. So I'm excited because it's very, very pretty. So I'm very happy with it. So I highly recommend. Everything is buttery, soft. The shimmers are soft and buttery. The mattes are very pigmented. It's beginner friendly, and yet it's very pigmented as usual. All the Nomad Cosmetics palettes. So leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring notification bell. I'm just distracted by the cat. Follow me on social media, all the links are down below. Okay, I'm gonna go now because my cat wants attention. So love you all guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!